this one. Everybody else does. Even the Mackhams. Oh God, the Mackhams. I think they're winning the league. They've won 6th odd bottom. Are you doing a bit of sound here? Are you adjusting the bottles? You look like you're one of them there Open University lecturers from the 1973 where you probably moved. This song's called Running Water in your accent. Remember the punk era when we were all in bands? Even in Newcastle or Hexham. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. And then when punk finished it was 1, 2, 3, 4 again. What's that all about? Do you think the Sex Pistols were the original boy band? They were. It's just that they had art hiding it. It's going to go down well with the Albertine, that one, isn't it? She'll spit on us. Here, this is called Running Water. Hope you all enjoy it. Grab me back home here in London. Come on now, Howlin' Wolf and the VJs. Come on with the big fella with the big hands. Oh, they got a big hands. Sometimes the ground. Look in your pockets with your snake. Look in the man. See you around every day's time. I'm destined to stay higher than to land. Hey! What's the running water come down from that blue cloud? The smoke the box up from going. What's the running water come down from that thundery cloud? I'm glad this man started my murder. While they put you away, keep my escape. And I hope those rusty bars don't black on you. All of you got, come on! Hey! So running water come down from that thundery cloud. Watch the running water come down from that thundery cloud. You rub your carrots with their gun. Old man heart attack died in run. It was a rat that could run, could jump in and through. I hope you let that